Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Amazon is hiring for data analyst local shops role. The job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Let us check the job description first. So Amazon is looking for a talented, driven data analyst. It is a pivotal role that will contribute to the evolution and success of one of the fastest growing businesses in the company. You can read the full description here. Now let us check the key responsibilities for this role. So understand Amazon seller service products and services and track report business performance and problem areas using appropriate metrics. Then work across functionally with the account management team to fix problems with sellers. Use Amazon tools to problem solve and validate solutions. Partner to define goals around key operational metrics. Recommend business actions based on analytical findings. Includes defining new metrics, techniques, and strategies to improve seller performance. Now let us check the basic qualifications for this job role. So it is 1+ year of experience as an analyst or engineer in the data BI space. So if you are having the experience of 1 year as a data analyst or data engineer, then you are eligible to apply. Experience with data visualization using Tableau, QuickSight or similar tools. Demonstrated experience with SQL and working on large datasets. Bachelor's degree in quantitative fields such as math, statistics, engineering, computer science, economics, finance or related field. With excellent written and oral communication and presentation skills and the ability to express thoughts logically. Now let us check the preferred qualification. So experience in using R, Python to handle large datasets, knowledge of statistical modeling and ML techniques. If you are eligible to apply, then you have to click on this apply now button. After that, this login page will open. You have to log in into Amazon account. You can log in with your Amazon account also and you can log in with Google account also. And if you are having Amazon jobs account, you can log in with that also. After that, this apply page will open. Here you have to fill all the details. First is contact information. Second is SMS notification. If you want SMS notification, SMS updates for this job role, you can enable SMS updates. If you don't want, then you can skip and continue. Then there are some general questions. Are you willing to relocate as this job location is Bangalore? Then preferred work location. How did you hear about this job role? Your work history and skills you have to fill. Then your education, then work eligibility. There are some questions here. You have to answer the question and you need to continue. And after that, you have to fill your resume and then acknowledgement. And then there are some voluntary question you have to answer, voluntary self-identification question. And after that, you have to review the application and submit it after clicking on the submit button. You can find the link in the description box and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.